back to news this afternoon because just 2 days before the grand oath-taking ceremony was expected to happen in Bengal, a chilling murder has now triggered a massive political shockwaves. The killing of Chandranath Rath, the close aide and a personal assistant of Shubhendu Adhikari, the BJP leader who was followed through the streets of Madhyamnagar by a car and bike-borne shooters, cornered on a narrow road and shot at point-blank range inside his SUV. He was shot at multiple times as far as the bullets that struck his head, his chest and his abdomen. Now, Times Now, meanwhile, has accessed chilling visuals that capture the moments just before the attack and immediately one of the most shocking political killings that has taken place after the elections. And then CCTV footage that shows Chandranath Rath's white Scorpio that seems to be moving towards the spot where he soon would be ambushed. As far as the pictures that are concerned, and this seems to be the one that captures the white SUV just moments before it was blocked by a smaller car, a silver car, which has now been seized on part of the officials there by the security. And it was gheraued by bike-borne assailants who then started to fire indiscriminately. Well, as far as Chandranath Rath is concerned, he was killed, but his driver has also sustained critical injuries and has been receiving medical treatment. Let's connect with Ridhita and also Shivam, who are tracking all of these developments there. Sophisticated weapons is something that's said to be used by the attackers in this case. Ridhita, where were we looking at as far as the investigation has been headed?
Well, absolutely. We are seeing these chilling images that have come up front after the police have taken a custody of 8 CCTV footages of that very area. We also get to understand in the investigative factor that a SIT team has already been formed, and this is been taken after by the IG CID of Madhyamnagar under his jurisdiction. The SIT team has informed the CID, the CID and the team is conducting this entire interrogation at this moment. That is the latest that we're getting to understand. Given to the otherwise factors, we are seeing that the weapon that is called to be a sophisticated weapon that was used in this matter has been coming out from the police sources. We also get to understand that it was probably a hired killer in this killing that was associated. It was a Supari killer who was associated in this factor. Also, the bike-borne 3 miscreants were very clear about their exit ways. They knew where to get out from this Madhyamnagar area, the exact location where it is located. It can head one side towards the new town Rajarat, that leads towards the border area, and another side is also the North 24 Parganas borders. That can also be another escape route. So the escape routes were very clear to all these killers. In fact, the car that has been used in stopping the Scorpio of Chandranath Rath has been used very precisely where the chassis number has been tampered. In fact, the credentials of the car, that of the owner and everything has been a forged document. It is a fake document because it has no clue. In fact, the number plate was of Shiliguri, which is again a fake document that comes in up front. Now, given to all these facts, we understand that this is one of a conspired murder that has taken place. It was pre-planned and absolutely risky on
the
this
police
area.
Is on the lookout. Multiple teams that have been formed. The CID was present there, so was the forensics department, and the teams that have been now getting as far as the information is concerned, because we heard that coming from Shubhendu Adhikari, who's called this attack to be premeditated, to be pre-planned. Let's in the meantime also talk about who was the individual who was killed last evening, Chandranath Rath, a 41-year-old former Indian Air Force veteran. He was a low-profile but a powerful organizer inside Shubhendu Adhikari's. That was the political network, the team that Shubhendu Adhikari led. A man who was described to be quiet and disciplined and dependable, but last time he was hunted down. Multiple rounds were fired, the bullets that hit him in the abdomen and the chest and the head. And what the investigators are now piecing together sounds less like a random attack and more like a planned assassination. A small car allegedly that blocked his vehicle, and there were bike-borne men that came very close to the car, surrounded him from both sides, and then started firing at point-blank range. Now, the police sources suspected that a sharpshooter may have also been involved. There has been use of sophisticated firearms as well that were reportedly used, and sources claim that the attackers may have conducted recce for the last several days before they actually executed the killing. Eyewitnesses, however, have described the entire attack. However, in the moments there at the night close to 10 p.m. is when within minutes the attack unfolded.
हम रात 10 से 10-20 बजे तक उस समय हम खिला रहे थे। एस्टर डॉग को हम रोज खिला रहे थे। तभी 2-3 बाजी फूटने का आवाज आया। पता हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया, हमने जीता है कहाँ बाजी फूटते क्या मालूम। उसी समय एक शख्स ने चिल्लाते चिल्लाते जा रहा था, 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया, 2 आदमी को गोली मार दिया गया। हमने दौड़ के आया, देखा स्कॉर्पियो के सामने ब्लॉक किया है एक ऑल्टो कार, और वो ऑल्टो कार ब्लॉक किया है। ड्राइवर के सीट में जो बैठा था वो डर के मारे दरजा भी नहीं खोल रहा था। हमने बोला डरो मत, दरजा खोलो, हम देखता हूँ। तो दरजा जब खोल दिया, हमने देखा 2 आदमी पड़ा है, उनका खून निकल रहा था। यहीं से कार घुमा के हॉस्पिटल लेके गए। हमने पुलिस को फोन किया, पुलिस पास से 10 मिनट के अंदर आ गया। 3 कारतूस यहाँ पर मिला है, पुलिस कारतूस मिला है, पुलिस जब्त कर लिया गया।
This is a spot of North Chobbish Pargona in Madhyamgram Zoharia area where yesterday Chandranath Raut, one of the close aides of Shubhendu Adhikari, who is likely to be the chief minister of the state as BJP takes a sweep in the state of West Bengal, he was killed yesterday here. Speak to the residential security guard who was there last night and get an understanding if he was a witness to any of this incident. Dada, kal kya aap idhar the?
हाँ, हमेशा था। नाइट में हमको ड्यूटी था। नाइट में 8 बजे लगभग होगा। एक तो स्कॉर्पियो गाड़ी गया यहाँ से, उसमें गवर्नमेंट का ब्लू जो लाइट आता ना वो लेके, लेकिन वो गाड़ी जब गया, वो ये देख रहा है जो स्टोन सिप पड़ा हुआ ना, उसके बगल में जाने के बाद वो गाड़ी रुक गया। अचानक हम यहाँ पर बैठा था, फर्स्ट एक तो फायरिंग का आवाज़ मिला मेरे को, तो हम उठ के देखता है तो फायरिंग हो रहा है। तो मेरा वो और दूसरा से जो कॉलीग है वो बोल रहा है कुछ हो रहा है, बाजी फाजी फट रहा है, कि मिसिल फिसिल आ रहा है। हम बोले नहीं, फायर हो रहा है, तुम गेट मत खोलो। बोलने के बाद हम इधर से आया, आके देख रहे, जब इधर से आया तब सेकंड फायरिंग हुआ। सेकंड फायरिंग होने के बाद देखा हम यहाँ से
लगभग कितने राउंड गोली आप सुने थे?
4 राउंड सुना था, लेकिन सेकंड राउंड
किस टाइम के अंदर ये पूरा घटना घटी?
8 से 8:12, 4 फिर 2 राउंड होने के बाद वहाँ पर एक आदमी गिर गया। शायद जो विक्टिम है वही गिर गया, गाड़ी से निकल के भागने गया था, वो गिर गया। जो ड्राइवर था वो आके उसको उठा के गाड़ी में देके ऐसे करके छोड़ दिया, गोड़ ठेल के उसको देके गेट बंद करके गाड़ी का ड्राइवर का स्कॉर्पियो का ड्राइवर, लेकिन उसको भी तो फायर लगा, थोड़ा इंजर्ड हुआ। वो होने के बाद तब वो गाड़ी थोड़ा दूर रुका था, इसके बाद वो इधर आके वहाँ पर घुस के बैक करके चला गया। वो जब बैक करने गया तभी उसको से जो शीशा गिरा, वो शीशा गिर गया था। शायद 2 आदमी था, लेकिन वो घूमने के बाद जब गाड़ी बैक करने के बाद एक तो बाइक यहाँ से गया, जिसको फुटेज पुलिस लोग लेके गया।
Now, the brutal murder of Chandranath Raut, a close aide of Bengal BJP's tallest leader, Shubhendu Adhikari, has triggered a massive political firestorm. As Times Now has accessed the most chilling footage from the crime scene, and this video was recorded just moments after Chandranath Raut was ambushed and shot dead. The first thing that you see is panic, shattered glass, bullet-riddled SUV, and inside that SUV, a bloodied body of Chandranath Raut that is seen right after being shot multiple times. These are disturbing pictures.
একটু দেখি কাজটা ইয়ে করে ফেলো না, মুখটা দেখো একটু। বেঁচে আছে কি? বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটালে নিয়ে চলো, বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটালে নিয়ে চলো। মুখটা একবার দেখো না, ভিডিও করো। মুখটা একবার দেখিয়ে দাও না। মুখটা কি আছে? এই ফোনটা এখানে রাখো। তুমি কোথা থেকে এসছো? তুমি টান দাও। আরে আমরা আছি তো, অসুবিধা নেই। আরে মুখটা দেখতে হবে তো। তারা 3 জন গুলি করে চলে গেছে, সেটা বলতে পারবো না। আপনি হসপিটালে যান, আগে নিয়ে যান হসপিটালে নিয়ে যান দাদা। আপনার এখানে বেলটা মারো, বেলটা লস হচ্ছে। বেলটা তো লাগছে, কোনো হাতে হাতে ওটা যাই না। কার গাড়ি? বেলটা মারো, এইভাবে নিয়ে যাও। আরে গাড়ি বন্ধ করো, ভেতরে একজন এরকম পড়ে আছে, যাও আটকে দাও, যাও হসপিটাল যাও, থানায় যাও, হসপিটাল যাও। এই রোমালেন্ডা যাও।
Well, this seems to be one of the other videos that have also come to light as far as the post-poll murder that has now taken place, and there seems to be another CCTV footage that seems to have emerged of last night, where multiple angles, this is all part of the investigation, which is now being thoroughly looked into. Every eyewitness, their accounts are being recorded, and there seems to be another angle of the CCTV footage that seems to have emerged of that very moment when the attack would have happened. So this was approximately at 10 in the night, when these exclusive pictures that we are putting up of another angle of the CCTV footage. There have been multiple of them that have now emerged. And looking at the residential area over there, Shivam, there seems to be now piecing together, putting across exactly how this attack was carried out in such a planned manner.
Exactly, Amita. Now, if you also look at the footages, the visual that we can see, you can see panic spread among the entire area. But the fact of the matter is, as you rightly mentioned, this entire incident of killing happened within minutes. So the culprits, the miscreants knew each and every spot where they were supposed to stop, what they were supposed to do, and how they were supposed to exit. And that is what the police is looking into, that how come these people have so much idea about us, about this particular territory, whether they belong, whether there is some involvement of the locals here. And that is why, as Radhika was actually mentioning, 8 CCTV cameras around the area are being closely monitored. The footage is not just of last 24 hours, but last 48, 72 hours. Familiar faces who have been there regularly, who have been around that place, are closely being monitored. And the police is also questioning. What we've been given to understand is that 3 people have been detained as well, not formally arrested. But again, police had little suspicion about their involvement, the local involvement, and the questioning is going with them as well.
So several teams that have been formed already, and the police, the CID, the forensics, all of them are working together as far as piecing together of what may have happened last night, and in fact days before the attack as well. Thank you very much, Shivam and Shridhita, for joining us here on the broadcast. This news and other updates continue right here on Times Now.